Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a quick shopping haul video and we'll start with Staples. And I picked up this tripod. I'm just checking to see, it was $4.99. So I got this tripod to try. We'll see. Because some of the projects that I want to do are bigger, and you know, my awesome setup that my husband made me here for over the desk is not it's not gonna work. So we're gonna try that. So new tripod. I needed printer ink. Now again, I was at Staples a couple months ago, or a month and a half ago, something like that. I took in a bunch of HP ink, and my rewards showed up, and I had a $20 reward and a $5 reward. So basically my black ink was, and it was buy one get your second for 30% off. So I got my second for 30% off, and then so that was made it $20.99. So basically I got my black ink for free by doing their recycling program. So just so because I want to keep ink around all the time, so you know, look into their ink recycling program. This was on the clearance for $1. And I thought these would be really great to use in the Peter Rabbit stuff that I've been doing. So they're the right colors, the green and the blue that I've been using. So so I picked those up. And then they had these purple pads were $1.79. And I have a purple kit coming out hopefully next week. So I wanted some more purple items to be adding to the kit and to be using in the books that I'll be making. So so watch for that. And if you're interested, please comment below if you're going to be interested in the purple kit. So I also went to Barnes & Noble's. It's my usual monthly go to Barnes & Noble's because I had my meeting in the morning on the, what is it called? The clearance rack. They had these for 30% off. It's actually a memory game, but it has the Peter Rabbit cards in it, and I haven't opened it yet. I am a member. I decided because it's the only way that you get any discount on magazines, and I usually do purchase books for Christmas and throughout the year for the grandkids. And so, oh my gosh, these are awesome. So it had these cards in it, and they're double-sided because the other side has Peter Rabbit and a Cabbage Patch. So so it has, what does it say? I think it was 50 something. It is, 36 pairs. So 72 cards is what it should be. 4, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 12 is 72. Yeah. So there's 72 of the little cards. And so we will see how I use them. I'm thinking they'll make great paper clips, or even like a little dangle. I mean, you don't, anyway, watch to see. And the picture quality is amazing. So, there. Oh my gosh, and look at around the box. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I'm keeping that for me. Isn't that so cute? And in here I thought I could go ahead and cut up the box, but I really like the sides of the box. So anyway, we will see. I just may use this box to keep my Peter Rabbit scraps in. We'll see. So that was from Barnes & Noble, and they had this Instant Pot cookbook for $10. So, I thought I would get it, and because I'm still afraid of my Instant Pot, I've made roast in it a few times. I'm good at that. I can do that, and it's a delicious. So I got that. I got this little book, We Can Do It, and it has all kinds of sayings in it. And I thought that I could use those for tags and tuck spots in the books. Especially, I'm looking for things. Don't play a supporting role in your own life. For things for the pinup girl. And so I thought that would be fun for that. And you got to be kidding me. So this looked like fun. My grandkids love animals. All of my grandkids are like kitty whispers and doggy whispers. And if they look like this, then that's going to be, yep, they are. Look at these cards. Oh my gosh. So it's a game, and we may have to play it a few times, and then if all else fails, it will become part of the kitten and doggy. See, there's doggies in there too. Isn't it so cute? So, and this is awesome. So I had seen a preview of this stamp set in one of the magazines I bought, and then of course I couldn't find it before Easter, but they had it now. And so it has the bunny, it has the cute little chick, and I love the bulbs, the lavender. I just think this is going to be a great, look at the crocus. So very spring flowers. Love it. Love it, love it. And then, of course, you buy the magazine, you get the stamps, but in my case, you buy the stamps, and then I get a magazine to look at. And so what do we have in the magazine? Okay, so this is Crafts Beautiful, but really all you could see from the front, you could see the stamp set. And there's also a wreath of leaves. And let's see, what do you get inside? Because sometimes you get like amazing paper. Oh, you get some templates, paper, cutouts, napkin decoupage, jewelry. So just, oh, and it's got a whole bunch of crafting ideas. That's the one thing, is you can't look at the magazine, see what you're getting in the magazine. So that's why I say I buy it for the stamps, and then I get the magazine, because you can't even see the magazine. Can't open it, can't look at it. It's total surprise. So next I have this one, and I liked it. It's called Life's an Adventure, and I like the car. Love the little VW here and the sign. These signs looked like things that I would, and the bicycle, I would be able to put also in the Pinup Girl book. So some tire tracks and a motorcycle. I love the map. Just the perfect size for a little pocket. And, oh wow. So this one, you get some paper with it. Oh, look at that. So, great great paper. Some hot air balloons. Look at this with the map and the flowers. Oh, this is really awesome. These are awesome, and they're so vibrant. It's vintage, and you're getting 2 pages of the, or I got 2 pages. I don't know if, yeah, it looks like you're supposed to, because one's on this and one's on this. Very cool. And you get a magazine. And this one's creative stamping. And they're always got a lot of ads and a lot of things to do. So the cool thing about magazines is, you know, if you can keep them, I have places that I keep them. You know, when you get to the point and you're stuck, magazines are a great way to get unstuck. Okay, so that is my Barnes & Noble haul. I also had a coupon that I was able to use, and of course, not on the magazines. So, a lot of times the magazines will also have places in them where different companies have a download that you can go and download paper and different things. So you know, if you do get the magazines, you want to actually go through and read even the ads, because they'll say go here and they have a free download for you. So that is my Barnes & Noble haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and Staples. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. What was your favorite thing? I'm really liking the spring stamps, and I love these. I cannot wait. Well, I can't wait to get back to the Peter Rabbit journal, which I'll be working on next week, and hopefully have it finished and for sale in my Etsy shop. And yeah, that's my brother's funeral is on Friday, and so I'm working on things for that. And then after that, I will be back to actually making things. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and thank you for being here. Bye.